207, 206. I'm going to make a quick run over to the morgue. Apparently they're dropping off a body.
Copy.
207, I'm going to go unlock MPC.
Copy. Joel, you're on the copy?
Are you attempting, Kenny?
I'm seeing if you're driving that milk bus over there at HMC.
It's business as usual over here.
All right, copy. Merry Christmas if I don't see you.
Merry Christmas, Kenny.
Hey, Lou. Can you come to the office?
Say again?
Can you come to the office? I'm away.
Rick, Chris.
Hey, Louie.
Yeah, go ahead.
Customers waiting for you.
I'm on my way.
I think Dylan has a brother that works there.
This world doesn't need two Dylans.
More. Over at the morgue, they're dropping somebody off here, just letting you know.
Copy that.
Morgue is relocked and secured.
Copy, thank you.
620. Go ahead.
Be advised, I'm going to be hanging out with Santa and Mrs. Claus, going to every room. So just give them hold of me via radio.
Roger that. Heading back to the office right now to finish up the property return.
Copy. Then I'll probably see you upstairs then.
Well, I'm already on the elevator heading down, so
You can always come say hi to Santa. Walk around with us.
hey, do you want me to go lock up MPC or you got it?
I'm still tense.
MPC all secured.
Copy.
6-3.
Go ahead.
Unclear Santa duty.
Finally. Thank you.
Yeah. It was interesting.
Well, I bet it was.
Cath lab secure.
Copy.
20 to 6.
Go ahead.
Just 20.
Office.
Can I get some help over here in Sioux North?
What do you got?
Individuals, I think, is trying to go AMA, and they're deciding whether they're going to title him or not. But he's kind of being erratic.
Copy. We just can't hold him if he's not titled. 6-3.
Go ahead.
So be advised, we're going to escort one back to the room. We're doctor's filling out the Title 36 right now, waiting on restraints, and then we're going to pin him down and then chemically restrain him as well.
What room is this?
I will confirm, but I believe it's 234, but I will confirm.
3 to 6, you guys are still up there?
Yeah, I'm breaking off.
Thank you.
6-3. We'll be up there to relieve you as soon as we can.
No worries.
Clearing Sioux North.
Copy.
6-3.
Go ahead.
Network's going to be coming and picking up a body out of the morgue.
Copy.
And our trauma came in via chopper.
Okay, that's new. What kind of trauma?
Don't know. Their blades are just now stopping, so I'm not sure.
Copy. Do we have any type of information for the morgue so I can at least help by calling house soup?
I believe they were looking for a Connor. That's something. I couldn't hardly hear him because of the chopper.
Copy. And what is the name of the mortuary again? I'm sorry?
It's not a mortuary. I believe it's Arizona Donor is what come up on the phone. I hate iPhones. Stand by.
Copy.
Well, scratch that. It didn't come up on caller ID.
That's fine. I'll still give them a call. 3 to 6, call the house, Sue. It's a confirm.
Copy.
Hey, Brian, whenever you get an opportunity, whenever you get a chance, can you head back over to the office? I need you to show me how to do a Datix.
Copy. Are you ready to be relieved? You can walk faster.
Say again?
I said, are you ready to be relieved and you can walk faster?
You see that?
Not really, but I got the gist of it.
Good.
We just finished a report in Datix, so one of us can come up and relieve you if you're ready.
Yeah, that's good.
Copy. 6-3.
Go ahead.
Did anybody, well, you weren't here, say anything about an orange backpack left in the ER last night? It has the name of Jennifer Gordon on the inside flap.
Didn't read anything about an orange backpack.
Copy. Break 620.
Go ahead.
Happened to take a backpack in the last couple of days?
Not to my knowledge. I'm looking in the secure storage right now from this camera, and the only thing I see that's orange in there is a suitcase.
If you could you go check and just verify and see if there's a name Deswood or a Jennifer Gordon written on it anywhere?
Roger that. I head there right now.
Copy, thank you.
No orange bags here.
Copy, thank you. Main entrance secure.
Copy, thank you. Break 320.
Go ahead.
Remember the report number that you returned property for today?
Not off of the top of my head.
Do you by chance remember the room or the person's name?
Yes, the patient's name was Cheryl Digwa from room 365. The report number is 2390.
Perfect, thank you.
Level 1 trauma, HCA 3 minutes.
Copy.
Copy, I'll 45 you in just a minute. 6-3, be advised, we have trauma 1 with a GSW. We got a trauma 2 coming in and multiple people coming in. There's about 6 coming in.
I'll be there in a sec.
MPC secure and lockdown.
Copy, thank you.
20, what's your location?
I am currently walking through Maine. What's up?
I see you. Are you coming back to the office?
Yes, ma'am. You said 244, bed 2?
Affirmative.
Hey, Kenny. What? Hey, I'm going to head over to the parking lot closer to O'Reilly's. Apparently there's somebody sleeping in their PT Cruiser. So I'm going to go over there and check it out. Okay, I'll take a walk that way, too. Hey, Kenny. Go ahead. Hey, where's medical records in the ER? It's not. It's down. You got to go where you pay your bills at. I got you. Where you pay your bills and medical records, right there. They go inside there. You can proxy in, but then you have to open up the little door. They're gonna need a disc out there, I'm sure. I got you. I'm on my way down there. If you need me, holler up. I'm headed back that way pretty quick. I got you. Hey, Kenny. Go ahead. Are you at 322? What's that? Are you at the Rapid? No, where's it at? I think she said 322. I'm on my way up there. Don't worry about it. I was outside, I think. Gotcha.
Hey, Kenny.
Go ahead.
Hey, just letting you know I'm on a putt-putt driving around the parking lot, sorry. Hey, Kenny.
Go ahead.
Head on up to 328. There's a patient up there who's being, like, aggressive and combative, apparently. I'm on my way back. I'll meet you up there.
Copy. Hey, Chris, just a heads up, that finance door, when you come in it, it's not closing because of the vacuum in the building, the pressure. So you make sure it shuts.
I got you, Kenny.
Hey, Chris, if the alarm company calls, we kick it off over here.
Copy.
Jacob, are you out and about?
I am currently doing a valuables return. My only thing is that he's saying that he had a cell phone, but there's nothing logged in for him as a cell phone.
Copy. Yeah, if you've got the package and it wasn't opened, then that's all we have.
Roger that.
Jacob, are you in the office?
I am.
Copy. Do you want to head over to the morgue? They're picking up a body.
Roger that. I'll head that way.
I've already called House Soup and confirmed, so just to make sure that you get the morgue name so we can put it in.
Wait, what was that?
I confirmed with House Soup that the pickup is authorized, and just if you can make sure that you get the mortuary or the morgue's name, the people that are picking her up.
Roger that. That was infusion letting us know that they're going to have a patient at 7 o'clock come in.
Well, that's a bit late, but okay, thank you.
You want me to take the first watch or you want me to take a second?
If you want to do the first, that's fine. I'll close it up.
Roger that. Apparently in 2 East, they're having a little secret Santa thing and there's gifts for us.
Okay. If you want to go ahead and go up there.
Oakley.
Main is secure.
Roger that. That was infusion.
Copy that. You got it?
I sure do.
Yes, sir.
MPC secure.
Copy.
There's a rapid response at 260. I'm heading that way.
Copy.
Rapid response, all clear.
Copy. Thank you.
Where are you at? Killing him, Brian. I have eyes on him. He is right next to the entrance to the lobby of the cath lab. I'm by the doors, too. Copy. So he's up against the door. I don't see him yet. I probably can't see him in my direction. You go through those double doors, he's right to your left against the wall. Negative, Brian. Where are you guys headed? Up to the 3rd floor. Copy. What unit?